So our first bit of tech is designed to buy him more time during their hectic weekday rush.
Now, this first bit of kit we'd like you to take a look at is a packed lunch set, but it's a packed lunch set with a difference. The ZWILLING Fresh and Safe packed lunch set may look like an unassuming lunchbox, but this new take on Tupperware is able to keep food fresh for up to 5 times longer than traditional storage options. Let's say you were organised enough to create all of the packed lunches for the week on the Sunday. You'd save all of those minutes in the week because these will help vacuum pack your food. Vacuum packing food not only extends its shelf life...
Fruit. Got fruit.
But it also ensures its texture, flavour and even nutrients are retained. Get a nice variety. Question is, how easy is the ZWILLING to use? OK, now, this is the fun bit, the actual pulling out of the air, creating a vacuum. It's one touch, so, Bodhi, if you start first, you just put it on top there.
Suck that air out.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
Pretty easy, it would seem. The kit also comes with reusable bags, handy if you don't have room to take a rigid box with you to school or work. That's it. Look at that, look at that. Look. Oh.
Oh.
Fresh.
Oh, wow. Feels like when you get your fish in the supermarket and they're sealed in.
To open the boxes, you've got to let the air back in, and you do that just by pulling the little button on top to one side. That's it. Oh, keep going. And with the bags, Cora, you just open the top.
Let me do that.
Hey.
Here we are. Would this be useful to you?
Definitely, because I usually make the butties every morning, so I think if I can make them at the weekend in advance and know that they're still fresh at the end of the week, then yeah, that's perfect.
It's delicious? Yeah. Good, I'm pleased.
So all of this, a 10-piece setup, would cost £148.80.
It definitely feels sturdy and long-lasting, doesn't it? It does.
Yeah, it looks quite well made.
Yeah.
So the vacuum-packed lunch boxes get the family's seal of approval. Next, I've got a gadget that should keep stress levels down by occupying the kids on the car journey to school. It's the Yoto Mini.
It uses these physical cards to play music and audiobooks whilst you're on the move. So would you like to pop one in and see if we can have a little listen?
Long ago, a wild were-puppy would come creeping out at night.
But it's not just entertainment, you can also learn lots of different things. This is all about the human body, if you wanted to find out more about that.
Like that.
You can get some of your favourite storybooks on there, like The Gruffalo.
The mini player is designed for kids between 3 and 12, and it has a 20-hour battery life and a headphone socket so you can listen without disturbing others. You can even record your own audiobooks using the built-in microphone.
Can you buy, like, add-on cards to it
Yes,
as well?
look, there's loads and loads to choose from, and it costs $59.99.
I'm quite surprised by that.
Yeah.
It comes with a starter pack of cards, and the cards themselves start at $2.99.
It's reasonable.
Very reasonable.
So do you think this would make the car journeys a little bit less stressful if you had it?
Yeah, definitely. It's and it's just the right size, so it's not going to take up any room in the bar.
With lunches and backseat entertainment covered, there's still one more area we think tech could help the Billsborough Hallsworths. That last-minute dash to get Cora to school on time. Now, you may be wondering, Cora, why you've been decked out in safety gear. This is the reason. The Zinc VOYAGER scooter is made from lightweight yet sturdy aluminium. It weighs just 5.4 kilos and comes with high-quality chrome bearings for smooth scootering. This will have your journeys to school with Dad zip by. It's got nice big 200mm wheels and front suspension. Would you like a go?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, take it away, Cora.
Is it easy to control?
Yes, it is quite easy to control.
Quite fast and it's quite smooth.
Wow, it seems to be popular.
Yeah.
As well as being fun to ride, it also has some important safety features, including reflectors and a foot brake that doubles up as a mudguard.
So, what do you think?
It's quite smooth and you don't have to put your foot down as much as you would with a normal scooter.
And is it fast?
Yeah.
It looked fast. It looked really smooth as well. The wheels look really
It does.
smooth.
It's really easy to, like, get it to turn and to brake it.
The Voyager is designed for kids of all ages and, usefully for Matt, big kids can ride it too.
That saves me carrying it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
Ready to zoom.
Right, away you go. Bodie, who's faster, Cora or your dad?
Cool.
Yeah, I thought so.
How would you find scooting back from the school run?
Probably take the long way home.
And when you do eventually get home, you can fold it up, making it easy to store. So, Matt, it's £99.99. Could you see yourself using this one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, it looks really well made. It looks solid, that, and the
It
wheels
doesn't
are
look
smooth.
gimmicky. It looks like a grown-up scooter rather than a kid's scooter.
And could this impact your school run?
Yeah, it'll make it more fun.
Yeah?
And maybe speed it up a little bit as
I
well.
mean, I might be tempted to take it and just cut them out entirely and I'll just go on my own, get a bit of me time on it.
So that's 3 school run gadgets pitched, but which is their favourite? Will it be the vacuum-sealed lunchbox, which keeps sandwiches fresh for longer?
Or maybe the Yoto mini player and its swappable audiobooks will be their top choice.
Or could the scooter, designed for all ages, take the #1 spot?
What the bad news is, you do, as a family, have to come up with just one
Scooter.
of the 3 as,
Well, I'm
as the
definitely
winner.
outnumbered on that one then, aren't I?
Yeah, I think it'll be the scooter.
The scooter
Yeah.
wins.
Oh, well, your school run is about to get a lot quicker.
Looks like it.
Yeah.